Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Malik, and if you're new here, thank you guys for tuning in. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the Chase Inc. Business Unlimited Credit Card. If you've seen some of my previous videos, you'll see that I like to focus primarily on cards with 0% APR for any duration of time, being that that gives you time to basically utilize the funds on that card to start businesses if you don't want to take out personal loans and if you're having issues getting a business loan, maybe because you don't have enough people, enough businesses reporting to your business credit report, or you're a new business. So with that being said, let's go ahead and hop straight into it. Now, at the time of this recording, when this video drops, they're currently running an offer where if you spend $6,000 on purchases in the first 3 months of the account opening, they'll give you $900 in bonus cash back. So in my experience, that cash back can be redeemed, I think, through a check, or you can just have it applied directly on the card. I generally just apply it to the card, but now they give you unlimited 1.5% cash back. There's no cap on this, so you can spend as much as you want and get 1.5% back on that. There's no limit, as far as I understand, on the amount or what category you can spend that on. So keep this in mind. I know this may seem about a bit out of touch for most people out there, but if you ever get to the point where you're spending $100,000 a month in just spend, maybe you're not even making that much money, right? Let's say you're a drop shipper or something like that, and maybe the profit margins are thin. If you're spending $100,000, you can essentially make a $1,500 extra of free money just by using this card. So why would you not use it? So keep that in mind. They do also offer employee cards at no additional cost. And one of the biggest things, in my personal opinion, is that this card has no annual fee. So you don't have to worry about any, surprise charges on your card. The reason why I structure the things that I say the way I do, as far as like utilizing the capital on the card, is because this is one of the best ways to basically start a business. If somebody says, hey, look, I'm going to give you $15,000 to $25,000 to spend on whatever it is that you want to spend it on, and you don't have to pay any interest on it for a full year, and you can make minimum payments on it, right? So let's say that's $250 a month if you spend $25,000. Why would you not do that, right? Like, why would you not take advantage of that opportunity to start a business and potentially change your future? So I that's why I love credit cards, because it's more accessible to more people instead of business funding and personal loans if you don't want to affect your credit score. Now, to top it off, the reason why I love this Chase card is because, according to nav.com, they report your business payment activity to Duns and Bradstreet, Equifax, Experian, and SBFE. Now, SBFE, the abbreviation is the actual term is the Small Business Financial Exchange. It's abbreviated SBFE. So Chase basically is one of the biggest banks out there that does report this information, your spending activity, to all of those agencies. So you can build your credit report. And if you have enough of these cards and you're spending these cards the right way, you can build a business profile without having to open up all these random accounts with different companies you don't even want to spend money with and wasting your money. So yeah, keep that in mind. But yeah, I mean, I personally got this card, and they've been pretty liberal with the credit limit increases. I remember when I was more actively using the card, the first time I think I got approved for like 10 grand. That got bumped up to like 16 grand, if I remember correctly, 16 to 18 grand. And then a couple months after that, they bumped me up to 21 grand after that. So very good card, guys. Strongly recommend you guys check it out. If you guys did enjoy the video, please make sure to drop a like on the video, sub to the channel if you're new. I do have another video, hopefully coming out next week. That's going to be talking about a business venture that essentially anybody can take advantage of. And as far as I understand, it's one of the I do a lot of like automated stuff. So like I don't really work on a lot of my businesses, but I would say most of them are probably closer to 99% automated. This one is the only one that I'm currently involved in that is 100% automated. And I would say that it's one of the most accessible businesses that pretty much anybody can take advantage of if you have the capital. So you look forward to that video. Hopefully it'll drop next week, sometime next week. And with that being said, I'll catch you guys later.